how to turn off joins in Roblox. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off joins in Roblox. So first of all, when you want or you are playing a game and you don't want anyone to disturb you, so you can just block or the turn off the joins. So for that there is a simple way I'll show you now. So you have to just go to the settings from here, and after that you have to click on settings, and after clicking on settings there you can see there are multiple options here. You just have to click on the privacy and content restrictions, and after content privacy and selecting the privacy and content restrictions options, you have to click on the content patch, not content maturity. You have to click on the visibility and server private servers. So here as you can see the private servers is selected on my friends. You can just click on the visibility and change it to friends, followers and people and I follow. You can also change it to friends and people I follow, and you can change it to friends or no one. So if you don't want anyone to disturb you, you can just select to friend or no one and then play game without any hesitation. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.